Okay, welcome back. This is the second day, and the thing is, it's too much hot, and we are confused what you're doing.
Yeah, we start work without recording even.
Yeah. So the thing is, my friend already start working on the car. I think with the first thing, what you did?
We open the seats.
Okay, we opened the
inside.
seats for the car.
And the second thing, we clean the seats.
Okay, we already cleaned the seat. So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna show you what exactly we done to the car till now. It's been like 2 days, I think.
Yeah, it is.
It's been 2 days. Okay. First of all, we remove all the seats. This is the front seat, and this is the back seat. Okay. So from the body itself, we didn't do anything else, yeah?
Just we open the hood.
Okay, we just opened the bonnet. That's all we did.
And we pull the stick.
Okay, we pull with our power, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, nothing else. So I want to show you from inside what exactly we did to the car till now. Okay, we open all the seats and that's all, yeah?
Yeah, we have to clean the mat even.
Okay, so you
move it out.
So the plan is we have to open the floor mat completely. And what else? Nothing.
Nothing else.
Yeah. Okay. So the thing is, we open everything from inside.
We take it to garage. Not sure.
Okay. So the plan is, it's hard for us to work in here, you know. So
don't have
the tools.
yeah,
Okay. So this is the plan. For now, we open everything from inside. As I think we already show the seat properly, but we'll show you more in details.
You guys see it before?
Yeah. There's some problem. There's some cloth like damage from here, I think also as well. So I think the seat will go to other shop to be fixed. I think only the two front, yeah. For the back,
The back is clean.
the back that's clean.
Alcantara and leather.
Okay.
New leather.
I think the middle part, the Alcantara, is good.
Yeah.
So a little bit on the side, this side and that side. That's all.
So we have to change.
Okay. So it's too hot. It's like I'm so confused what we are doing right now. So this is the plan. We remove the seats, but we're gonna take the car in this condition to the garage, right? Okay. So this.
Now first thing we'll go to Dubai.
Okay. To find the parts from the fronted.
Okay, which car will go ahead?
It's fine. We can go with the FJ.
Yeah?
Yeah. And maybe we'll have a time. We'll record some videos about the cars, your collection cars. I think you have like 4 cars right now here.
Mupar.
Yeah. And
3 Mupar cars.
I think the best one is this one, the Hellcat. Dodge Challenger, right?
Challenger Hellcat.
Yeah, this is the original Hellcat. So normally, if you want to know from the Hellcat itself, like from the body itself, which is the original Hellcat, I think the best way will be the headlight. Yeah.
The headlight, and if you open the hood, the super.
Yeah. If you don't have opportunity to open the hood, you can easily know from the headlight itself. They have a like hole on it, you know. So loud. So for the safety, when you open anything, the engine will be shut down. So this is the V8 supercharged Hellcat. So except that, there's any like extra modified on the car or no? I can see the
filter.
the filter. Okay, the air filter. This is like carbon fiber. I can know from here. And this is the base, the supercharged.
And exhaust.
And the exhaust system. So the sound is like not original. But similar to original, I can understand the original also have similar sound as well. Little low. Okay. So this is the car. We're not going to spend so much time. Let's cut from here. Then we'll be moving on Dubai to search for the spare parts.
Dubai.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the place we came to see if we can find the part or not. So we're gonna go inside and hope so they're gonna let us to record and see what we can find. Ready?
We will find.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
Because we already called them. They said we have available parts. So right now, let's go.
Check.
Yeah.
How do you guys see the shop? We came.
Okay, before we do, we just show the shop. So did you find the parts we were looking for?
That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
We didn't find the.
We didn't find. The only item we find, it's the front bumper. And that's all. Bumper جلس ما ویدیوشو بگیم یا اینجا نیست؟ ما ایگونای اینجا نیست، مشکل نیست. So Okay, so we're gonna show you that afterwards. But before we do anything else, we managed to find in another shop as well. We're gonna check that. But before do anything, we want to show you this place.
The collection car.
Yeah, the collection car. You want to start from the exactly behind you. Which car is it? Yeah.
32, right? 32R. 32R.
Okay, so this is the Nissan R32, and it's right hand. Yeah.
Yeah. Manual.
Okay. So let's do something. Let's do a small tour, then we'll show on details. So this is the first car, R32. Okay, let's move on the second one.
Supra.
We have the Toyota Supra. I'm thinking this is also right hand, yeah?
Right.
Okay, we have the red Toyota Supra. We are not sure this is a manual or automatic. Okay, it's automatic right hand. You know how much turbo میاد درسته؟ Okay, we have the second silver Toyota Supra as well. This is a manual transmission, yeah.
Look amazing.
And the best thing I like about this classic Toyota Supra, how focused driver is it. You know, everything is on the driver. The passenger just enjoy the drive.
Yeah, sit
Okay.
and enjoy.
So this was the third car. Again, also right-hand drive. Let me show you from the front itself. So we have the silver Toyota Supra manual, we have the red Toyota Supra automatic, and the third one, oh my god, the Godzilla.
Yeah.
Okay, anything else about this car? R35?
This vehicle, beautiful, look amazing.
Okay, so this is the R35, but I can say they have so much modify on the car. We have carbon fiber, wood, and this all come automatic. There's no manual on this car, yeah?
Yeah.
And this is the left-hand drive. And the inside looks clean as well. And let's move on the second. We have the GS. I'm not sure this is the F Sport or no. Is it like 6-cylinder or 8-cylinder? Do you think it's 8-cylinder?
I have it.
No, I think it's normal, you know, because if it's original 8-cylinder, the seat are so much bigger, you know.
The gear will be smaller, right?
No, I think from that center point, it's all the same, but from the seat itself, it will be so much bigger.
The caliber, the brake, I think it's
So from this collection, what's your favorite car?
this grey Supra.
The gray Toyota Supra manual transmission. Is it possible to ask them if they can bring the key for this one? At least we can start a little bit.
We'll see, we'll check now.
Okay, so let me ask the owner if they allowed us to start this car, because this is actually my favorite as well.
You love
The classic, yeah, Toyota Supra. Of course, this comes with the twin turbo or single turbo.
We don't know, we have to check that.
Okay, we have to. So it have two options. We have the single turbo, we have double turbo as well.
That's what I know. I don't
Okay.
have any idea.
Ideas, okay. Okay, let's go if they can let us to start the car. Samir, look at that. We have spoiler and we have the mini spoilers. Yeah, we have the mini spoiler as well. So this is all the collection for the aftermarket parts. I can see most of them are like Lexus. We have some Mustang as well, muscle car. We have Dodge. We have for the Hellcat. We have Shelby for Ford Mustang as well. We have a lot of Lexus. Most of them will be American spare parts. This place is actually so cool. They have a lot of spare parts, and of course I'm going to put all the information for this shop if you're looking something to buy for your car.
هاي لازم يعدل كل الجراج وينين تجي تصور زين يا اخي شي ما ينفع يجيب سيارات كلها كولكشن كامل فيه
عندك بعد؟
Okay, so we're gonna say goodbye to this place. We try to start at least one of those cars, but he told me most of them the battery is totally dead, so we have to bring the extra battery. It's gonna take time. So anyway, once we have a proper time, we're gonna communicate with the shop owner, and let's see if they can manage to start one of those cars, and we'll be back here and record some more videos. Okay, so unfortunately we couldn't find anything for our car, the Mitsubishi Evolution, so we're gonna check one more place. Actually the owner gave me another location which is like near to our shop. We're gonna go there after 4 o'clock. We'll see what we can find on that place. So we're gonna say goodbye to this place.
2 hours later.
So we're gonna end our video right now because already Samir brother already checked the place.
Yeah, you have already the hood, the
So
bonnet.
we managed to find only the bonnet, that's all. We're gonna end the video right now. It's too much hot. I'm so confused right now. And the thing is, maybe by today or by tomorrow we're gonna take the car direct to the garage to tell them to open the front, the
The radiator,
Yeah.
the support.
And I think we didn't at least try to start the car as well.
No, we
So
didn't.
once we get to the garage, once we open the radiator and other stuff,
We'll start.
we'll see if we can start it or no. So we'll finish our video today and right now here, and we'll see by tomorrow or day after tomorrow what we can manage to find any parts from this car. Then we'll start our video back. Anything you want to say?
That's all.
That's all.
We have
Okay.
to go inside.
Yeah, too much. Take care. Goodbye and peace.